What do you think is dangerous?
Just put everything in the oven, Carlo.
Yes,
madam. Hey guys, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see by the title, I am doing my super quick, super easy, like literally 5-minute summer makeup look. This is what I pretty much put on my face every day. It's nothing crazy and I think it looks super great and super natural, but like still enhances your features, which is what we want for summer because we don't want to be caking our face on and then all of a sudden our face is a different shade from our body. You know the drill. I put all my stuff right here because I'm handy dandy. These are all the products that you need. This is it. It literally fits in a jar and 2 little compact things. All of this could fit in your purse if you ever need to update on the go. It is super amazing and super great for stuff like that. So let's just get into it. So first step, push your hair out of your face, and if you're like me and you're filming, get a mirror. Ooh, fun. Ooh, there you guys are. Ooh, there's my bright lights. So this is gonna help me see. So if I'm ever looking off in a weird angle, I'm either holding it between my legs or somewhere weird. It's probably between my legs. So first thing, jumping straight into it, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I am in the shade Light. Surprisingly, light is me tan, so you know, that just says something about you. Or Urban Decay does not have a good shade range, you know, could be either. So I just put this first on pimples. I have a really bad pimple right here. I don't know if you can see it. Popped it this morning. Under eyes as well. And then I have like redness on my face, so I put it on my main areas of redness. And right now you're watching me put it on all those places. Also, I do my T-zone, you know. That's an area that I don't think will ever change. Basically, you're just skipping the foundation step and putting this in the main areas that you really need to still have this to cover. But you still really want your natural skin to be like showing everywhere. Oh, that's brighter. Is this helping or hurting? Is that good? Or is that the same? We're gonna roll with it. Packing the concealer in. Sorry there, I lost my train of thought. And I basically dab and do a teeny bit of rubbing, not a lot. You never want to rub, but I do it sometimes. Next, this step is definitely optional. I just started doing it a little more just because even with concealer it can feel a little like sticky and tacky on your face, so you can still set it if you want. I'm just using, this is really old, but I started using it and I kind of like it. This is the Maybelline Dream Wonder Powder in the shade Ivory. You can use whatever setting powder you like. Honestly, you can use any products you like. No one's holding you against your will. But this is just to help set the concealer so it doesn't look as wet. And I don't do this step every day, just some days I'm feeling a little extra. And that step's already done. Isn't that amazing? A step that I feel like you can't skip, even in the summertime. Okay, maybe, you know, if you're feeling like it, you can. Eyebrows is so crucial, like crucial. Just because it changes your appearance so much and it's something so simple that I just feel like you can't give up on. You know, and you don't need to do like crazy precision like me. A lot of times I just do run-throughs and filling of gaps because I have a little bit of gaps in my brows. And it honestly takes like 2 seconds. And it literally does make a difference. Like the brow's already done. It's actually looking really nice today. And then I just comb it out and get a nice, beautiful brow. Wow. And wow. Brows are done already. That took what, 2 minutes? Maybe? So this next product is also optional. If you want a little pop on the eye, if you don't want anything crazy dramatic, because you know, summer, chill, relax. I just got this in my Birchbox subscription. It is the Love of Color eyeshadow pencil in the shade Heavy Petal, and it's a super nice natural pink shade, which is awesome. I don't know if that helps or hurt, but I just pop it on the lid and then I blend it in with my finger and it gives my eye a little shimmer. And honestly, I don't even know if you can tell on camera if it even makes a difference, but in person It definitely does. It just adds a little to your eye, which is really nice to have, you know. 10 out of 10 recommend. And it's really creamy too. I love it. So the next thing, of course, even in the summertime. Oh god, I hope the product did not shatter. Oh, that just tells you how good this is. We're highlighting, of course. We're using the Wet n Wild to Reflect Shimmer palette. It's called, oh, Boozy Brunch is the shade. I just dropped this hardcore on the floor and it did not shatter. So that tells you what a $5.99 can get you. Amazing. Fan brush because we want to be a little more light and delicate. But who's to not say we're still caking it on. So. And it's so good for so cheap, like drugstore. Drugstore stepping it up, honestly. Love. Like, we just love to glow. There's nothing wrong with that at all. For lips, honestly, I don't do lip products in the summer unless it's a really creamy lipstick. But today, especially because it's a very, very natural look, I'm just putting on Ointment. This is Lucas Papaw Ointment. Best lip stuff in the entire world, I promise you. Only $8 on Amazon and it lasts really long. Okay, on to the last step, which is mascara. We're using the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise. Really good dupe. People say it's a really good dupe for Better Than Sex. I personally don't like Better Than Sex mascara. I only like this one, but to each their own, you know? Whatever floats your boat. And this, I think, is where you should take the most time to do your makeup, because mascara is the most important thing. If I was to say to only use one product, it would be mascara. And so guys, with that, that's the finished look. Super quick and super easy, like I said. And it looks like I have a really great base, a really nice face of makeup, but it's super natural and still really pretty, which I really like. So if you guys liked this video and you liked watching me, then you should press that subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye!
What do you think